I'm Heidi Pettee. I'm a decorator and designer here in Fort Lauderdale. Having teenage twin 16-year-old daughters is great.
I'm Olivia.
I'm Grace.
We're 16.
And we're twins.
The girls are very active. They're coming and going all the time. They have one bathroom that they share. What's going on? You have soccer games?
I'm going out with David.
Before your soccer game?
Yeah, but I
Where,
have to
for
put gas
dinner?
in the car.
I know. She
Olivia-
called it first, sorry.
Olivia
You were late
always-
to the party.
She's born first and she gets to shower first.
Between soccer, sometimes they go out with their friends, so the shower's working a lot. A lot. There's a bit of bickering as to who's going to take the shower first. Sometimes the hot water won't be as strong for the next person. Of course, I'm last.
So my sister takes the longest showers ever.
No, you take the longest showers.
That is not true.
You know it's true.
I would give the title of taking the longest shower to Olivia.
I mean, okay, I'll agree with that.
But I never have any hot water left. It's ridiculous.
Now that they're teenagers, they bring a candle in there. They turn the lights down. They take their Bluetooth in there. So the showers have gotten longer and longer.
I mean, sometimes I like to play music. It's kind of like me time.
The singing is not appreciated throughout the household, though.
I have a beautiful voice. Thank you very much. Oh, say, can you see?
Today, John is coming by from Tank Max, and he's gonna make a few little adjustments to my tank so that I will have faster hot water and more of it. Just trying to clean up here for you.
Heidi has twin 16-year-old girls and not enough hot water. One gets a warm shower, one gets a cold shower. So we've got a 15-minute install. We're gonna solve her problem for her today.
Okay, here she is.
Okay, yeah, this will be a pretty simple install. So we're gonna install Apollo Tank Max on the top of her water heater, and the result will be she'll get double the hot water that she had before. Apollo Tank Max comes as a kit, and the package contains adapters, a bridge connector, and the actual mixing valve. Everything you need for a fast and easy installation. So the basic Tank Max valve has three components. It has this adapter that screws onto the top of any water heater. So once you put the adapter on top of the hot water side, it's time to put the mixing valve in. With the mixing valve, you can see that the hot water comes in here. We'll pick up the cold water from the cold water side of the water heater, and 120-degree mixed water, which is suitable for bathing, will come out and service the rest of the house. Then we'll take this T adapter and screw it onto the cold water side, and then you just have a simple connector that was included in the kit that connects the cold water side to the mixing valve.
It was a pretty simple install. It took about 15 minutes, and that was it.
Typically, a water heater replacement for a 40-gallon hot water heater would run somewhere between $600 and $1,000, depending on what part of the country you're in. But with Tank Max, it's less than $100, it's 15 minutes, and it's double the output.
A few nights ago, I even had two other girls over here from the soccer team that needed to take a shower. So they figured out who's gonna go first. I went last. So that was what, 4 showers? 4 girls, 4 showers, soccer, long, candles, music, you know, the whole 9 yards. And I got in later, like at 10, and it was so piping hot. It was great.
For more information, go to designingspaces.tv or apolloflow.com. You can go to these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.